Welcome to Stories with Sonu. Story for today is titled What Life is All About. Once upon a time, there was a girl who could do anything in the world that she wanted. All she had to do was choose something and focus. So one day, she sat down in front of a blank canvas and began to paint. Every stroke was more perfect than the next, slowly and gracefully converging to build a flawless masterpiece. And when she eventually finished painting, she stared proudly at her work and smiled. It was obvious to the clouds and to the stars who were always watching over her that she had a gift. She was an artist. And she knew it too. She felt it in every fiber of her being. But a few moments after she had finished painting, she got anxious and quickly stood up because she realized that while she had the ability to do everything in the world that she wanted, she was simply spending her time moving paint around a piece of canvas. She felt like there was so much more into the world to see and to do, so many options. And if she ultimately decided to do something else with her life, then all the time she spent painting would be a waste. So she glanced at her masterpiece one last time and walked out of the door into the moonlight. And as she walked, she thought, and then she walked, and then she thought, and it went on. While she was walking, she didn't notice the clouds and the stars in the sky who were trying to signal to her because she was so preoccupied with an important decision that she had to make. She had to choose one thing to do out of all the possibilities in the world. Should I practice medicine or build design buildings or teach children? She was utterly stumped. Now, years later, one day, this girl began to cry because she realized that she had been walking for so long and that over the years she had become so enamored by everything that she could do, the endless array of possibilities, that she hadn't done anything meaningful after all. And she learned at last that life isn't all about possibilities. Anything is possible. Life is about making a decision, deciding to do something that moves you, something that you're passionate about. So this girl, who was no longer a girl, purchased some canvas and paint from a local craft store, drove to a nearby park and began to paint. One stroke gracefully led to the another, just as it had so many moons ago. And she smiled. She continued painting through the day into the night because she had finally made her decision. And there was still some time left to revel in the magic that life is all about. This girl put her heart and soul into her talent and passionately expressed herself through her paintings. Within no time, she started getting the recognition that she deserved. She started holding exhibitions in art galleries, and her paintings sold like hotcakes. She was now a renowned painter and was honored by all. Very difficult aspect of our life. Deciding, making decisions, especially about what we want to do. What is it that we want to pursue in our lives? Sometimes our decisions are forced down on us and we simply have to do it because we feel it is our duty. But ultimately, we will get success in only things that we ourselves are passionate about and love doing. If you love doing something, then it becomes so easy. If not, it becomes a burden. If you're not happy in what you're doing, then your success can never be complete. Follow your dreams, of course, realize your talents, do something that you're passionate about. Of course, keep in mind the critical aspects, whether you're really good at it or not. If you're good, make it better and then become the best. But be practical and grounded. Take your decision and pursue it for as long as you can. This is Sonu Gandha signing off. If you like my videos, please share them and do comment about how you're liking them. Any other topics that you would like me to cover. More until next time, take care.